Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best mechanic toolbox you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best mechanic toolbox in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Keter 22-inch rolling tool chest. If you're looking for a more manageable box that still has a good amount of storage, the Keter rolling tool chest fits the bill. This rugged plastic tool chest has 5 drawers. The bottom drawer is deep enough to hold power tools such as drills or impact drivers with included organizers, so you can keep your tool set just the way you like it. The 4 casters, you can easily move the tool chest right where you need it. The overall size of the tool chest is 23.5 inches high is 22.1 inches wide is 11.3 inches deep. It's an excellent solution for any DIYer who has a medium-sized tool collection that needs organization. These portable and adjustable storage drawers meet a variety of organizational needs. Its modular construction enables it to easily fit in any existing home, office, utility room or craft area. Features a central locking system so each drawer stays secure before, during and after use. Easy to assemble caster wheels make this tool chest mobile and convenient for any mechanic to roll around garage for multiple tasks. For details, let's watch more. Our second best mechanic toolbox is Gearwrench 20-inch black steel toolbox. If you are thinking of getting a tools box that you can carry around the trunk of your car or need something small for the specialty tools for your hobby, then this product is just the right size. The build quality of the mechanic's toolbox I received was excellent. Made of thick gauge sheet metal, you can expect this box not to dent easily. Also, the entire thing comes finished with a black powder coat finish that will take a lot of effort to even chip or scratch. This product has ball-bearing drawer slides that allow me to open and close the drawers effortlessly. Even when fully loaded with heavy tools, it does not affect just how smooth the drawer slides operate. The top cover also opens up to reveal somewhat deeper storage options. These options are where I place my larger tools, like my airbrush, paints, and other accessories. Third pick in our list is 173015 Garage Glider Rolling Tool Chest Seat. The 173015 is a good option that can still keep your tools protected during everyday use. This box comes with 3 drawers, plus extra side holders for tools you are using on the fly. Organizing screws, bolts, and nails is easy with 2 foldable, magnetic storage trays. If you move around a lot in the garage, the 173015 also does double duty as a seat. A padded top and 4 casters makes this comfortable and mobile to scoot around the garage, knowing that your tools are within reach. The One Garage Glider includes 3 sturdy drawers along with 2 magnetic trays and 16 storage slots for wrenches, screwdrivers and more. Keep your most common hand tools nearby in one of the easy-to-reach slots or utilize the 3 padded drawers, making sure your tools are there when you need them most. The One Garage Glider for a reliable and safe place to momentarily store any metal objects. The magnetic lining makes sure your random screws don't get jostled around and lost as you roll around the shop. Keep your most commonly used lineup in one of the easy-to-reach slots located on the back of the tool chest. Perfect for screwdrivers, wrenches and more. Number 4 in our side is Workpro 408-piece mechanics tool set. This Workpro 408-piece mechanics tool set for daily life. It contains almost every tool for basic home use. Workpro tools in this set are made from high-quality materials and feature detailed designs. With mechanic toolboxes, more drawers typically is a good thing. A simple box fails to provide the necessary organization most people need when using their tool sets. The Workpro W009044A not only comes with great organization, it also provides a complete set of tools to get you started. 3 drawers and a top compartment round out the storage options with this box. In addition, each compartment already comes fully stocked with common, everyday tools such as a hammer, level, hex keys, sockets, bits, and screwdrivers. Each tool is made of durable components such as fiberglass, steel, or nickel plating. Workpro socket set is constructed by chrome vanadium steel forged body for torque, strength and durability. Last in our best mechanic toolbox list is Omega 92450 Black Toolbox. Omega 92450 is not just an ordinary toolbox for mechanics. It is also a very comfortable work creeper seat. I like that it is just the right height for me. The robust polypropylene casters make it easy for the stool to roll around on smooth concrete. With swivel casters made of solid plastic, they are also resistant to oil. They also have full bearings, making them roll effortlessly. The thing that I genuinely liked about this combination toolbox is that it can carry loads. There is a steel frame wrapping around the toolbox, and this is the part that carries my weight. Omega Lift 92450 mechanic rolling chest features 3 toolbox drawers with fully padded vinyl lined seat and swivel casters to make it comfortable to work on your car, truck, SUV, van and more. Equipped with 3 ball bearing slider drawer toolboxes, features both front and rear segmented tool trays that allows for quick and easy access to the tools. It provides a convenient storage solution to organize tools used for automotive body works.